Okay guys, so today we are here at Thomas Point State Park. I'm gonna do fishing today. Hopefully we can catch a perch and striped bass. I saw my friend yesterday posted on his Facebook account. He got perch and striped bass already. So alright guys, I'm here. This is my setup. It's a ugly stick fishing rod, 6 feet and 6 inches long, and I have a tsunami reel at 2500 series. And what I have done today guys is I set up my own rig. I did not use the rig that I got from the normally I got from the store, from fishing tackles. I made my own rig. Today I'm gonna use grass rim as my bait. I will try to cast if there's a fish there, and then yeah, we'll see. Okay, so this is the grass rim. It looks good, healthy. Okay, so I got a grass rim here. This is alive. I just caught it. Poke the shrimp from the tail. Oh, I don't know if you can really see it. I had a hard time here. So I poke it from the tail to the head. Now it looks like this. All right. One in the fishing spot right now. There's no competition. So, but I don't like being alone. I want to have some. There. This time we can catch them. There you go. There you go. I got him. Fish on. Fish on. On. Got him. There you go. Whoa. It's a small one. Alright guys, here we go. Here we go. This is the perch. First catch of the day. It's a small one. Small perch. Alright guys, perch. He has to go back. Okay. Okay, there you go. May spot na. Spot. Oh, I got spot. Woohoo! May spot na. Oh. Woohoo! Spot! Spot! Kaya try natin tong bloodworm. Oh man, natakot akong mawak ng bloodworm. Pero oh boy, oh boy, oh. Kasing bloodworm. Bloodworm will bite. Will stick to your hand. We'll use the bloodworm. Oh man, so messy. Oh, the water is so dirty guys, so probably the fish cannot see the shrimp. So I use bloodworm because the bloodworm, there's a scent, a smell on it that the fish can smell, so they will bite it. So let's see if this worked out. There you go. Whoa, big one. Woo! Whoa, jumbo. Jumbo mambo. Okay, I use bait, guys. I use the bloodworm. This is bloodworm. This is it. All right. Another bite, bloodworm. Another bite. Oh, baby one. Small one. Naman. Yahoo! Woohoo! Yun. Sumabit siya sa bato, guys. Ngayon, tanggal na. Ayan na siya. Yay! Oh, muntik na natanggal. Oh wow, spot! I got spot! He must go back to the water, guys. He's small, skinny now, got blood in the eyes. Bye. There you go. There you go. Now you swim. Swim back. Bye bye.
Yeah.